Hey guys, let's see how we can very quickly make Indian style pasta or macaroni. Heat about 2 or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan or kadhai on medium flame. Put in some jeera or cumin seeds and wait for the jeera to splutter. Now put in some finely chopped onions. Stir for a bit till the onions become golden brown. Now put in some finely chopped green chilies, some minced ginger, and a little bit of minced garlic. Cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. Now that the ginger and garlic are cooked, let's put in tomato puree. Guys, remember that tomato puree acts as the main sauce for your pasta. So put in good amount of tomato puree. You don't want your pasta to get too dry due to lack of tomato puree. Cook this whole mixture for another 2 or 3 minutes. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Stir this whole mixture for another 2 or 3 minutes till all the ingredients combine well. Time to add in the traditional Indian spices, a little bit of red chili powder, a little bit of haldi powder. Again, mix all of this together. You can see the sauce has become a beautiful red color, really bright. Now that the sauce has cooked well, it's time to add in some bell pepper or capsicum. Remember to add the capsicum towards the end. You don't want to overcook this capsicum. It needs to taste crunchy. Of course, add in some salt as per your taste. Finally, it's time to add in some boiled pasta. Now, while this sauce was cooking, on a separate stove, I was boiling some pasta. This boiled pasta, I'm putting it now into the sauce that we just prepared. Now mix all the ingredients one final time. Ensure the pasta is coated very well with the sauce. Cook this for another 2 minutes. And that's it. Indian style pasta or macaroni is all ready. Super easy yet very tasty. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Thank you.